How to delete Snapchat AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Snapchat AI, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if I go ahead and then open up Snapchat, and if you're familiar with the Snapchat interface, you know that Snapchat has launched a new feature which is called My AI. And if you don't know what My AI is just like a bot which is a Snapchat assistant. No matter whichever questions you ask them within the Snapchat app, they're going to answer and give it to you based on the relevant answers. Now if you are a free Snapchat user, you cannot remove My AI, but there is a way to remove My AI only if you are a premium user, because as you can see, I went inside of My AI and I asked itself to remove itself from my chat feed, and it only told me that only Snapchat Plus subscribers will be able to remove themselves from the My AI feed. So that's how it basically works. You will not be able to do any other thing than that. You have to just press and hold the My AI option and then just select the chat settings option and then tap clear from chat feed. If you want to remove My AI, just tap the profile icon from the top left, then just select the option called Snapchat Plus. Go ahead and subscribe to Snapchat Plus to get all of the features from Snapchat. So hope this video helped you guys understand your question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.